Hello guys, today I'm talking about the picking image from gallery. I mean how to pick your image from gallery, and I'm showing you in the GetX state management system, not using stateful. It's a good practice to use always GetX river port or provider state management. Okay, so first of all, for the GetX, you have to import this package from here, and for the image picking you have to use image picker. Okay, see, and my pubsub.yml I have used the GetX, and sorry, I'm not picking the image picker package already. So let's copy and paste here, sorry, and paste here, pubsub get. Okay, image picker package is imported. So for this now I have to create a controller. I mean, in GetX you have to create a controller for your work. I mean, this image picker controller. So here you have to write lemon class image controller extends GetX controller, sorry, so first of all I have to initialize a file, I mean a image object which have stored the file from the gallery you have import. It will store here, but you have to import not .html. You have to import for the file is the import library .io. okay, so you have to go. Now for the method future like image picker, I'm just copying paste because I have to go fast. So for the image picker, I mean, okay, import the image picker library. So here just I'm trying the try catch and final. I have to declare a variable with the final image pick, where the image picker dot pick image. So image, and the pick image has source, which has image source dot gallery. And if you want to upload from camera, you have to just use it camera. So I have gallery, so I am using gallery. And if image pick is equal to null, I mean if you image is corrupted or something in the image file is problem, so it will give a null value which will return nothing. Now create another variable which is image temp. I mean the temporary the file will be stored for here, which is file image pick dot path. So where is the image pick? Image pick is image picker, the pick, the image you insert from your gallery, the path, I mean where it is stored, it will your device's path. So you see here we have a image value, so we have to pass the value to this image value. So how to do it is dot image, I mean I don't need image, just image dot value equal image temp. So I pass this value to our image. Our try part is done. Now for the exception, just import the exception. Okay, so what is the error? I have to just use another bracket. Our image picker method is done, our controller is done. Now go for our main device, main class. So here we are using a center container on column, just a container, and container has a icon child, and there is a button, is the elevated button, pick image. I am doing nothing here, just showing the icon in the container. Okay, so now let's import our controller. To import our controller, I have to use final controller equal to image picker controller, get dot put image picker controller. So the controller will import our image picker controller's property. So the image property we have declared because we have to show if we pick any image, it will show here a image, otherwise it will show this icon. Okay, so basically in the child option I'm just cutting the now for the controller, if controller dot image dot value equal here we first initial the value is null, equal null, then our icon package will be showing, the icon package will be showing. Let's remove the cost for now. So if our controller value is null, then it will show the icon person, then else it will show image dot file path is controller dot value controller dot image dot value. Now add const modifier is needed. I don't need this. Make sure for the value it's not just image value, it's image path value, so you have to initialize the path. So if you using not GetX, then it will be just image.path. So I am just using, so you have to, I am using the rx file, so you have to use the value dot path. Okay, so why are we using the path? Because you have initialized, I have initialized the rx file image and observation, it is an observation value. For observation value I have to use the obx, that now just understand my code. First of all, image picker have image pick, so you have to choose image from gallery, it will give a value, and which is the image pick dot path value, and it will store in the image temp. So the transfer the image temp value in the image value, image dot value. So if we pick an image, it will store the image path, otherwise it will be just a string, null string. Okay, so basically we have to use so you have a elevated button that will, when you will press, so when you press how to open a gallery, we have to call this image picker method, like controller dot image picker method. Here good. Just when you click the image picker, it will go open your gallery just like this and click the picture. It will show your picture. So if your image value is none, then it will show nothing. I mean, from the, if you restart your image, I mean app, it will use this value. So if the value is null, then icon will be shown. Otherwise your pick image path will be shown here, or like this.